आप मुझे कैसे जानते हो?
How do you know me? How do you know me?
मुझे लगता है।
It seems to me. It seems to me.
मैं तुम्हें देख लूंगा।
I will see you. I will see you.
मैं बारिश में भीग गया हूँ।
I got soaked by the rain. I got soaked by the rain.
पेज मत फाड़ो।
Don't tear the page. Don't tear the page.
बहुत तेज बारिश हो रही है।
It's raining heavily. It's raining heavily.
क्या कोई खास बात है?
Is there anything special? Is there anything special?
इसीलिए तो मैं जा रहा हूँ।
That's why I am going. That's why I am going.
इसीलिए तो मैं अंग्रेजी सीख रहा हूँ।
That's why I am learning English. That's why I am learning English.
वैसे भी मैं वहाँ नहीं जाता।
Anyway, I don't go there. Anyway, I don't go there.
खुद से पूछो।
Ask yourself. Ask yourself.
बाहर मत जाना।
Don't go outside. Don't go outside.
मैंने तो बस यूं ही पूछ लिया।
I just asked casually. I just asked casually.
आज मौसम कैसा है?
How is the weather today? How is the weather today?
कल बहुत तेज बारिश हुई।
It rained heavily yesterday. It rained heavily yesterday.
आज बारिश होने की संभावना है।
It's likely to rain today. It's likely to rain today.
तुम्हें जो करना है करो।
Do whatever you want to do. Do whatever you want to do.
बाहर थोड़ी बारिश है।
It's a little running outside. It's a little running outside.
मैं घर पर हूँ।
I am at home. I am at home.
झूठ न बोलो।
Don't tell a lie. Don't tell a lie.
धीरे बोलो।
Speak softly. Speak softly.
सावधान रहो।
Be careful. Be careful.
धीरे धीरे पढ़ो।
Read slowly. Read slowly.
इस मिठाई को चखो।
Try this piece of sweets. Try this piece of sweets.
जल्दी से तैयार हो जाओ।
Get ready immediately. Get ready immediately.
जल्दी नहा लो।
Take your bath immediately. Take your bath immediately.
इस कोट को पहन कर देखो।
Try this coat on. Try this coat on.
अपने काम पर ध्यान दो।
Attend to your work. Attend to your work.
थोड़ी देर बाद फिर आना।
Come again sometime later. Come again sometime later.